done me 3D printing. So that's the top, that's the bottom, that's the battery case, that's the camera holder. Which way round do we need to do this? I think we need to put top on first because we've got to screw into those holes. I haven't checked them yet. I think they're the right size. And that goes that way around. That's got to go through there. Yep. Aerial up through there. Okay. Oh, actually, just for assembly purposes, I'll just push it together. I won't actually screw it together yet, just so we can make sure it all fits. So that's going to go on the bottom. I copied the layout of the existing cover, but that ridge up the middle there got in the way of these bits, so I had to do a new cover without the indentation in the middle. So that goes on there and slides along, so that's in place. Need a screw to go up through there, which we can pinch off of there. And then this is the right size for the battery. So I've got little locating pegs there, but I'll probably use super glue to glue it in place. And that's going to go in there. As soon as I plug this in, it will be live. Yeah, so I'll unplug that. I haven't provided a separate on-off button. I'm just going to go like that. And then this one, my little mini camera, just slides straight in there. And I'm going to glue that straight on top of there. So that's all in place. I say glue, I suppose I could just use double-sided tape, couldn't I? Then we can actually get it off again if we need to. What I haven't done is duplicated my roll cage yet. Need to drill some holes in there so that we got the full roll cage on it. I suppose we could just give that a little try like that, couldn't we? Because that's holding together. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll go and get the transmitter. Just for now, I'll put a little bit of blue tack on there. That should hold it. That should hold it for now anyway, just for demonstration purposes. We've lost a tiny bit of ground clearance. About 4mm compared to the original, I think. Okay. Okay. Looks okay. Let's put it on the floor. Next we'll have the camera on. So it's a little bit shaky on there because I haven't glued it properly. So. Still while it's spinning round. That's come loose. Let's just push that back on for now. Yeah, fell apart. So clearly I do actually need to glue that together. That way round, and now I realise that that aerial is in the way. We could do with something just to point that in a different direction. I could put a little bit of tubing along the side there just to hold it. But I'm pretty pleased with that, I've got to say. I'm trying to be restrained but I am actually really amazed that I've managed to 3D print it to get the bits so we can actually fit the full hobby grade in there. Yeah, very pleased. That's come loose. Just push that back on for now. the final version. So I've put a little bit of tubing there to hold the aerial out of the way of the camera, and I've CA glued or super glued the camera holder onto the battery holder and the battery holder onto the top, and I've used the existing screws to screw it all together. So that's it. Oh, I still haven't put the roll cage on there. I'll do that as a separate job, I think. It will still do the spinning round. If that's what you want. But it's more controllable now. That'll do.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.